Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse Dota 2 Loadout. Today I'll be showing you the Dota 2 Loadout and how to make a Dota 2 loadout. And right now, as you can see, these are my loadout. These are my heroes that I've chosen on my loadout. There you go. Right here, if you want to make a loadout, you just need to click on this pen right here next to the custom layout. Once you have made that, you will see my loadout. There we go. You can change its name to, I'm gonna change it to the best. So right now here, you can add the heroes that you want to your loadout. For example, I'm gonna add Slardar. There we go. Once I've added Slardar here, he will now be in my loadout. And you can add another category right here. Once you click that and click on new category. Once you click that, you can have another set of loadout. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.